Hello everyone, I wanted to take a minute to introduce you to ROWLEY'S accident and hail repair. I wanted to give you a brief overview of our shop and what exactly makes us so different. First and foremost, our people are awesome. You will not have a better customer service experience anywhere, and that's a guarantee. On top of that, we utilize absolutely cutting-edge technology that allows us to complete 85% of all our repairs in less than 3 business days. At the heart of this system, which we are demoing in this video, is the Symach gas catalytic infrared paint drying system. This system uses very specific spectrums of infrared to cure all stages of the paint process almost instantly. This keeps our paint booth downtime to an absolute minimum. Where in a traditional shop, a car might need to occupy the paint booth for 3 to 4 hours at a time, most of our paint jobs are in and out of the booth in less than 1 hour. On top of that, since the paint is 100% cured, the vehicle can immediately be reassembled. All of this combined with our scheduling system, parts, procurement, and highly motivated staff gets you back in your vehicle as soon as possible. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please reach out if there are any questions you might have.